reaction because a lot of people were like, what is this secret? Like, I don't know anything about this. Okay, that was okay, this is my little secret. It's called
Upgraded yan. Hindi lang basta-basta.
Hindi, ano pa lang ang nababasa ko pero pumasok na A pa lang.
So there are a lot of things you can do when you have
Upgraded yan, hindi lang basta-basta.
napkin, which I personally find a little bit uncomfortable and irritating and hot, and I don't want to move when I have my napkin, but if I move also, then I'll get malaksan ko, or like, you know, I'll get blood on my pants or whatever. And then I have a friend who uses menstrual cups. So menstrual cups
Oh,
are like these rubber cups that you fold and put inside you, and then it kind of collects the blood. I know, guys, you should like totally tune out for a guy watching this one. And then it can be really messy. Like you have to be at home so that you can wash the cup and then plug it back in. Otherwise, I feel like it just be so unhygienic, and I don't know. I just feel like it's not for me. Also, then you have tampons, which is obviously when you stick it also.
Alam mo yung ilang yan pa lang ang nakikita ko.
Yeah, just yeah. So when I discovered period pads, I was like, oh my god, this is the solution I've been looking for. So this one is from EcoFlow, it's a local brand, and I love how sexy the design is. So it doesn't make you feel like you're wearing like an adult diaper. It's so comfortable. See, it's really nice. But this part at the bottom is where it collects all of your period or pee from your incontinence. So how much is napkin, but it's a wearable napkin, and it's so comfortable. Honestly, it feels like you're not wearing anything at all. So there are different kinds. So this one, you can see here, it's only like 1 out of 3. So this is for light flow. And then there's another one here. So it's sheer here. On top. And then you can see na it's 2 out of 3. So this is for medium flow. And then lastly, if you have heavy flow, you can also get this for your pants. It's a little higher waist, so it will really be smelled and secure. And then, ito, you can see 3 na siya, 3 out of 3. And you can see na it's a really breathable material. It goes all the way through the whole sides. So this is the packaging niya for the heavy flow. And then you can put the top. But I already talked about this a long time ago. I've been using it for years. I've been loving it. I've recommended it to so many of my friends. So nagulat talaga ako. Not a lot of people know about it. It's really comfortable, honestly. Like, I really love it. So if you guys are like me and you had trouble with incontinence, or if you guys just want a comfortable solution to your period, then I highly recommend you check it out. So,
Baby, can you go to school today? He said he wants to do something nice, and this is what Dad chose. You
Kaya siguro gusto mo magbigay ng
you
big
don't
ball,
have to
no?
be an athlete to
Yep.
be active. Gatorade No Sugar has all the electrolytes of Gatorade with no sugar or calories. Gatorade No Sugar. All the
Ah.
electrolytes, none of the sugar. Excuse me.
Hey, you want to play with Scotty? We're running outside.
I'm just finishing some work here.
Daddy.
Binanggit ko ba? Binanggit ko ba?
You should have eaten.
Sabi niyo, napag-iisipan niyang bumili ng air fryer. I get it upgraded. Hindi lang siya air fryer. Oven na rin siya. Hindi lang siya basta air fryer.
Wait, paano to?
Naka-tape pa yan sa gilid.
Give Daddy some lemon. Kiss Daddy.
You can do your hand, kiss your hand, it's the most it is. This one,
May ilaw na yan sa loob. Makikita mo yung niluluto mo.
Paano?
this one, even if you read for it, I'm not.
Let's see the look.
Kiss Mommy hand. Kiss Mommy hand. Jojo. Mommy, are you catching butterflies? Catch the butterflies.
Ay, di kuryente.
Of course. Magfi-fit yan isang buong manok.
Scotty, your mailbox to Santa is broken. How are we gonna send letters to Santa now?
Kung gusto mong maglitsyon, magpatuyo ng ano, para magkaroon ka ng powder, ganyan. Patuyo ng sibuyas para meron kang garlic powder. Ha?
Alright guys, change of plans. We are all gonna go out.
Ko alam.
Heading to school. So we're gonna really
Hmm?
let's go shoot.
Wala. Walang warranty yan. Pero sinubukan ko na kung ano. Pero pwede ko siyang isoli kung sakali mga ano. Hindi sa warranty. Kung may problema lang.
Dino T-Rex wrecking ball.
Dino T-Rex wrecking ball.
Gusto mo
Okay,
isa-
mommy is a lot of hearts today. Heart on my shirt and heart on my socks.
But what are you?
May fries ka doon, di ba? Luto ka fries.
Tela naman eh. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng ipatong sa salamin.
Off we go. Off we go.
Hindi naman sila pwedeng mag-share ng bagong lagay na ano.
Hindi.
Dito lang siya.
Oh. Meron pa bang ganito?
Yeah, nakahatiin lang yun.
Pwede naman. Madali lang naman hatian yan. At
Pero ano, yun o, karton muna.
bakit?
Kung pwede.
Ilalagay sa karton? Diyan oh.
Ay, ito o.
Pero malulusaw yan. Post ko na.